Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do an unboxing and review on a Fiskars ProCision trimmer. At the moment I'm using a normal little Fiskars trimmer, but the blades are just getting too expensive for me to carry on using. They don't last very long and I cut quite a lot of 300 GSM card and I can only do maybe 1 or 2 projects, and then the blade is fraying the edges, and then it takes me a lot longer because I have to cut off, unless I'm doing a junk journal or anything like that, I have to cut off the frayed edge to make it look neat. So I will still use this for chipboard and things like that, and like I say, junk journals, things that don't have to be precise, but I thought I would treat myself to a new one. I went for the Fiskars ProCision instead of the Caterpillar Pro. That was the one I was going to get, but this one's a lot cheaper. It's costed me £60 from Amazon, and I couldn't find a Caterpillar Pro for anywhere near that price. And from reviews that I've watched, I decided to go for the Fiskars. Right, I haven't opened it yet, so let's get right into it. Right. Sorry for the noise. Here it is, Fiskars ProCision trimmer, dual rail system, and the metal bit sharpens the blade. You don't have to replace the blade on this. Yep, no more information on the box that I need to read about, I don't think. Folding base dual rail system eliminates blade wiggle to deliver straight, ultra precise cuts every time. Cuts thick materials up to 1200 GSM. That's a lot. Chipboard, cardstock, rotary bypass blade that never needs replacing. Okay, right, let's open this box then. Oh, sorry, I'm out of shot at the minute. Alright. So, here it is. Got the dual rail blade. Feels very nice, very sturdy. Doesn't wriggle. That's good. And it folds out. It's very handy. And the measurements are up to 13 inches this way. And I'm guessing it'll be 12 inches from here to here. Let me just, I've got just over, probably about 13, 12 and a half, 13 inches that way as well. So it fits your 12 by 12 nicely. You've got a safety card here to put the paper in. It's a bit stiff, but it might be because I haven't used it. It's brand new, so. And then that locks in place using that, and that you can't pull it up at all. Right. Let's get into testing some paper then. I've got some copy paper here, so I'm just going to pop that under there. And effortless, it's perfect, perfectly straight, perfect edge, no feathering, no nothing. I wonder how small can it cut? Wow. It's just cut really thin slither off of that. Really thin. And again, no fraying on the edge. Perfectly straight. Okay. Right. Let's move on to something a bit thicker. I've got this, I think that's about 150 GSM. Again, I'll cut. Again, effortless. Didn't have to put hardly any pressure on it at all. And it cut amazing. And again, little slither. Let's see if I can get it. Sorry. Head in the camera. Yep. Little tiny slither again. Perfectly. No feathering, nothing. If I just show you the difference. Well, I can't even do small. I can't even do a small amount without it. See, it doesn't even, see what I mean? It's jagged. And to be honest, I usually use this one upside down. For some reason, for me, it works this way, not that way. So I have to do it this way so that I can do it downwards. But if I try and cut a slither off, it just doesn't. It just mangles the paper and rips it, and then you can't use it. So whereas this one, this is perfect. Obviously I know I've only just got it, it's brand new, but I have no doubt that it's going to carry on. This is 300 GSM card, and again, effortless, hardly putting any pressure, just the weight of the actual blade unit, no pressure from me at all. And it does it easily both ways, up and down. Just trying to see how thin. Look how thin that is. It's a tiny strip. So very impressed with this. What else have I got? I've got a piece of card here, thick packaging card. Okay, that required a little bit of effort, but again, it cut straight through it, and no rips, no tears, no feathering, nothing. Yep, perfect. Might work better if I put it against the... Yeah, a little bit of effort required with this one, but still not a huge amount of effort, and it cuts it perfectly. No feathering, nothing, and that's quite thick corrugated card. So I'm very impressed with this, and I like that it folds up. It's not that heavy either, so it's just perfect. So if you're thinking of getting a trimmer, I would definitely recommend this one, and check out Amazon. £60 at the moment, so it's not a bad price for what it is either. So I hope this has helped, and thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye.